Welcome to the tour of 1709 Bombay Lane in Sherman Oaks subdivision off of Lovell Road. Entering the home, we come to the formal living area with a brand new and very nice ventless fireplace, ceiling fan, new paint and carpet. Next, we enter the formal dining room with a chandelier, hardwood floors, and plantation shutters. The kitchen includes a large breakfast nook, new black stainless steel appliances, and a lot of cabinet space, as well as an island. Also off of the kitchen is the screened-in back porch. It's 3 years old, it's 24 feet long, and it has indoor-outdoor carpeting. Exiting the screened-in porch, we come to a deck for your grill, as well as a paver patio on ground level. The backyard is completely fenced in, very spacious, and is perfect for your family, including children and pets. Let's visit the master bedroom. Notice the arched doorways leading to the hallway. On the right, you'll see a coat closet, and in front of us, you'll see a pantry, as well as the laundry room. Here's the master. Master on the main is a very sought-after feature. This particular master has a very large walk-in closet and a very nice master bath. The master bath includes a shower, a garden tub, and plantation shutters, a dual vanity, a linen cabinet, and beautiful hardwoods. Let's go to the garage. This is an oversized two-car garage with extra shelving, an exterior door, and a cutout to allow for large vehicles and plenty of storage. As we continue up to the hallway, you'll notice our half bath with pedestal sink. Let's go upstairs. The upstairs has 3 bedrooms, a full bath, and a large bonus room. The bonus room is perfect for a playroom, an office, or even a 5th large bedroom. These 2 doors lead to walk-in attic storage, which is a great feature. The 3 bedrooms all contain ceiling fans and walk-in closets and new paint. Here's bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 2. And bedroom number 3. The bathroom contains a separate room for your shower and commode with a pocket door. This home has everything you would need for your family, is very clean and modern, and be a great home. So thank you for joining our tour. If you'd like to schedule a showing, please contact Holly with Realty Executives at 865-360-5109. Welcome home.